Hi, Pete Gossin from Autel Robotics. I am at the Exertis Elmo E4 event. It's been exciting. If you haven't heard about Autel Robotics before, we are a drone manufacturer. We build enterprise and consumer drones for folks like law enforcement, fire departments, construction, utilities, you name it, we work on it. So today we're featuring a couple of key things. Number one here is we've got our EVO 2 Enterprise V3 series. You can see on there, there's a thermal payload. We've actually got it up on the screen here that you can see. This also has lots of modular accessories, gets about 40 minutes of flight time. It is a must-have for a lot of key law enforcement agencies. A lot of fire departments are using this as well. On the far side, we're going to jump over here. What you have is you have the EVO 2 Series Pro 6K model. So the difference, this does not have the thermal payload. It has the 6K payload on it. Takes amazing images, video. We see that used a lot with utilities who don't need all the extra bells and whistles, but they want to be able to do really great inspections. In the center here, we have our latest model. This is the EVO Max 4T. It is the fastest pre-order item that we've ever had as a company, and a lot of that has to do with the amazing technology behind it. So not only do you have a 4-system payload, so this payload, it has a wide angle lens, it has a zoom lens, thermal camera, as well as a laser rangefinder, all packed into a small frame. But on top of that, you have incredible capabilities. It can get up to 23,000 feet elevation. It's got a 40-minute flight time. You also have additional accessories and modular capabilities with that. It is a must-have. It also is the first drone in the industry to use millimeter wave technology. What does that mean for everyone? That means that all those times that you hit wires or you hit tree branches that are really small, it won't do that anymore, because that millimeter wave radar is creating a 360-degree view and a 3D model real time that it can use. So we are really excited about it. We know our customers are excited about it. So I just want to say thank you so much for having us. If you need to find out more, go to autelrobotics.com. Thank you.